Everyone, my name is Muhammad Hamza, and today I'm going to be showing you how oobleck is a solid and liquid at the same time. First, to actually get oobleck, we have to make it. And the ingredients are 1 cup of cornstarch, where you put it in a bowl. Don't look at the mess. And we get half a cup of water. And add a little bit of coloring dye in it if you want. Okay. Then add the water in the cornstarch. And the next bit is we stir it with our spoon. We need all the cornstarch to dissolve in water. This is the result we get from mixing our cornstarch and water together. We get this little oobleck. So the thing about oobleck is when I take it and put it in my hand, it acts like completely like a solid. But when I let go of my hand, it just flows down like a liquid. I grab it from here and acts like a solid. When I let my hand go, it just flows down. Look how cool that is. And look, if you try hitting something with it, look, there's like a delay. The particles in the cornstarch, there's a lot. They don't have time to react, so it takes a really slow time for them to disappear and let the spoon or anything you're hitting it with go through in a delay. But example, my finger, if I just dip it in the oobleck like this, it takes a delay. But when I dip it in like this, slowly, it acts like it's completely like water. I'm dipping my hand in water. But when I punch it like this, it takes a time to take it in. And it's also really sticky. Really. Well, that's it for today. See you later, guys. Bye.